Welcome back to my channel, dolls, and today we are here to do a fun experimental type of video. Now I thought to myself, what if I make my eyebrows the same color as my hair? So today we are doing that. We are transforming these regular brows into colorful brows. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off my brow, and you want to make sure to save that baby wipe for later. So I am grabbing my Juvia's palette, and this is the Zulu palette, and I'm taking my first color, which is that yellow color. So these are going to basically be kind of ombre brows. They're going to go from color to color.
Like I do. They can't put it down like I do. They won't ever care like I do. Go through the worst to hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do.
So for my second color, I will be using the same palette. I am taking the orange color, which is the next color in my hair. And if you guys would like to see more of this hair, I will post the install video so you can check that out. Next up, I'm taking my Mayo pigment, and I'm taking that pink, hot pink neon type of color and just adding that in. And next is my red color. I don't have any red eyeshadow, but I did take my red liquid lipstick and use that. Sometimes you gotta work with what you got, girl. So now that we've completed the colors, we need to go through and blend them out. So you want to just take a clean brush and go through and just blend all of the colors together so they transition smoothly.
Times will it take for you to realize that I'm your right? They just want my spot, but ain't gonna treat you right. It ain't no secret, baby. Everybody knew like Bonnie and Clyde. I'm here by your side. Should I reload it? I'm here for the ride.
So just like any other time, you want to go ahead and grab your concealer. I am using my NYX Got You Covered in the color Golden to carve out my brows. So you just want to go ahead and do that.
Cause I'm on my way, telling you I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way, baby, I'm on my way. Won't love you, won't touch you, won't put it down like I do. No, yeah, they don't love you like I do. They can't put it down like I do. They don't ever care like I do.
And I'm just grabbing another clean brush to go ahead and blend that concealer out. And here is my finished product, you guys. Let me know if you guys think this is cute. Are you saying stop it or rock it? This was just something fun I wanted to do. This is not necessarily how I would wear my brows, but I think they look pretty good to be colored brows, you guys. So let me know down below what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.